Okay, now let's look at question number 5 in your book. Yunus bought a dozen watches for rupees 5,400. Dozen means he bought 12 watches. Okay, dozen is equal to 12. He sold them at a rate of rupees 1,150 a pair. A pair means 2 watches. Okay, so we have to calculate two things. Calculate is profit loss percentage. We do not know whether it was a loss or it was a profit. We will see whether it was a loss or it was a profit. According to it, we will put formula. How many watches must he sell to make a net profit of rupees 1,000? Okay, so we have to calculate that how many watches he sold in order to have net profit of rupees 1,000. Now we will move step by step. First, they had given us the cost price. Yunus bought a dozen watches. Bought means cost price is given to us of 12 watches, which is rupees 5,400. We will write in the form of data like this. Cost price of 12 watches is equals to 5,400. Now we have to find out selling price of one watch. Okay, we have to find out selling price of one watch. How we will find out? Because they had given us selling price, he sold them at a rate of rupees 1,150 a pair. Sold means selling price. Pair ki selling price they had given us. So we have to calculate, of course, selling price of one watch. Then only we can calculate the cost price of, the profit or loss amount. Okay, so let's see. Selling price of one watch is equals to 1,150. अब ये वाली अमाउंट किसकी थी? पेयर की सेलिंग अमाउंट है. So we will divide it by 2. ठीक है. If I sold, for example, if I sold 2 books for 1,000, what is the selling price of one book? Definitely I will divide 1,000 by 2. So I will get selling price of one book. In the same way I have done the same thing. Selling price of one watch calculate करने के लिए I have divide the amount by 2 because this was the selling price of 2 watches. ठीक है, पेयर की थी. Now when I divide, I got by reduction I got rupees 575. Now when I got the selling price of one watch, I can calculate selling price of 12 watch as well. ठीक है, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 12 वॉच इज इक्वल्स टू 575 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12. ये एक की सेलिंग प्राइस है. अगर मैं इसे 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं, इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 12, देन आई विल गेट द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 12 वॉचेस विच इज 6,900 rupees. Okay, now I will use the formula. I know that this amount is greater than this amount. This was the cost price of 12 watches and this amount is the selling price. So when selling price is greater than cost price, then it is always profit. So formula which I will use to calculate profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is given 6,900, cost price is given 5,400. You will look back in your formulas list and you will find out this formula is equals to, the profit is rupees 1,500. This is the profit he has gained. Now what was the original thing to calculate? A part was to calculate profit percentage. Loss तो है नहीं, profit percentage है, so we will calculate profit percentage. How we will calculate? Please look back to your formulas and we will choose the formula according to it. We have to calculate profit percentage, so this formula we will use. Profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. We will use this formula. So you will write profit percentage is equals to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Profit कितना है? I calculated 1,500. Cost price is given in the question which is 5,400. Okay, multiplied by 100 is already given in the formula. You will do all the reduction and you will get the answer is equals to 250 upon 9. And you will divide it into in the rougher column and you will get profit percentage is equals to 27.7%. Okay, so our A part is done. Now what they have asked in B part, they said how many watches must he sell to make a net profit of rupees 1,000. So what we will do, we will write B part and then we will see profit of 12 watches. ठीक है, ₹1500. ये अभी हमने जो प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट किया है, ठीक है, the profit which we have calculated is ₹1500 for 12 watches. So I will write my data, profit of 12 watches is equals to ₹1500. What will be the profit of one watch? Profit of one watch is equals to 1500 upon 12. 12 say if I will divide, then I will come to know what is the profit for one watch. It is 125 rupees. He will sell 8 watches to get the profit of ₹1000. You will multiply 125 by 4, 125 by 5, 125 by 6, 125 by 8, where you get the amount 1000, because they had asked us how this is the profit amount you have to achieve. When you will get the 1000 amount, there you will stop. So I stopped on 125 multiplied by 8 is equals to 1000. So I said he will sell 8 watches to get profit of ₹1000. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Still, if you face any confusion, feel free to contact me. Goodbye, take care.